The Boeing aircraft manufacturing process includes several stages that must be passed, namely planning. This stage includes market research, data collection, and development of the aircraft design. Manufacturing of components. This stage includes the manufacture of aircraft components such as wings, fuselage, and engines. These components are made by various vendors throughout the world. Component assembly. After the components are made, they are sent to the Boeing factory to be assembled as a unit. At this stage, the aircraft is also tested and inspected to ensure quality and safety. Test run. After all components are assembled, the aircraft is tested in the air and on the ground to ensure performance and safety. Certification check. After successful trials, the aircraft is inspected and certified by the government and its regulators before it can be used for commercial flights. Delivery. After receiving the certificate, the aircraft is sent to the customer who bought it. The Boeing aircraft manufacturing process can take several years and requires collaboration with vendors and partners from around the world. The number of employees involved in the production process of Boeing aircraft varies depending on the type of aircraft and production level. However, Boeing generally employs thousands of employees to manufacture each type of aircraft. In 2019, Boeing claimed to employ around 160,000 employees worldwide, with the majority of employees working in North America, where the company has factories in Seattle, Charleston, and Houston. Most employees at Boeing's North American plants are involved in the aircraft production process, including design, component manufacture, component assembly, and aircraft trials. However, there are also employees who are involved in the marketing, sales, and after-sales processes of aircraft. The number of employees can vary according to changing production levels. Boeing works with various vendors from around the world in the process of making its aircraft. Some of the vendors that Boeing cooperates with include Spirit AeroSystems, is a major Boeing vendor that produces important components such as wings, fuselage, and landing gear for various types of Boeing aircraft. GE Aviation, is a major supplier of aircraft engines to Boeing, including engines for the 737, 747, 767 and 777. UTC Aerospace Systems, is a major supplier of air control systems, ignition systems, and braking systems for Boeing aircraft. Rockwell Collins, is a major supplier of navigation, communications, and entertainment systems for Boeing aircraft. Honeywell International, is a major supplier of engine control systems, ignition systems, and cabin control systems for Boeing aircraft. Parker Aerospace, is a major supplier of hydraulic and pneumatic systems for Boeing aircraft. Boeing also works with various other vendors from around the world to meet the needs of other components of its aircraft. Boeing uses different types of engines for different types of aircraft. Several types of engines used on Boeing aircraft include CFM International LEAP, used on the 737 MAX, 787 and 747-8 aircraft. This is a turbofan jet engine developed by CFM International, a joint venture between General Electric and Safran Aircraft Engines. Pratt & Whitney PW1000G, used on 787 and 747-8 aircraft. It is a turbofan jet engine developed by Pratt & Whitney, which offers higher fuel efficiency over older jet engines. Rolls-Royce Trent, used on the 747-8 and 787 aircraft. This is a turbofan jet engine developed by Rolls-Royce, which offers higher fuel efficiency over older jet engines. General Electric Jinx, used on the 747-8, 787 and 777X aircraft. It is a turbofan jet engine developed by General Electric, which offers higher fuel efficiency over older jet engines. Rolls-Royce RB211, digunakan pada pesawat 747-400. Ini adalah mesin jet turbofan yang dikembangkan oleh Rolls-Royce, yang digunakan pada pesawat jumbo seperti 747-400. Pratt & Whitney JT9D, digunakan pada pesawat 747-100 dan 747-200. Ini adalah mesin jet turbofan yang digunakan pada pesawat jumbo 747 selama bertahun-tahun. Itu hanyalah beberapa contoh mesin yang digunakan pada pesawat Boeing. Sebagian besar mesin yang digunakan pada pesawat saat ini adalah mesin generasi baru yang lebih efisien dan ramah lingkungan.